class. Very good morning. My name is Samiksha Panuram Rao, class 4. Today we are gathered here to celebrate our Indian National Republic Day. We all are very happy to celebrate this day now for ceremony.
Very good morning. My name is Ishwari Somnath Nagre, class 4. Now I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest, Sarpanch and other member, administrator of Gram Panchayat, chairman of society, vice chairman and board director and primary school headmaster, all teachers, our village development officer, renew officer, health service, Asha Sevika and Anganwadi Tai. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Since 26 January 1950, the people, that is you have taken the burden of running the country on your shoulder. Did this matter come easy? No, many Bharatiya, their blood, they sacrifice their blood, they sacrifice their lives.
Now this is the time for ceremony. I request to our chief guest to do puja of flag post. मी यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी आपल्या पवित्र हात मी मधुकर आवड यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी आपल्या पवित्र हाताने ध्वजपूजन करावे. मी अशोकजी बिन्नर यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी आपल्याला श्रीफळ वाढावे आणि ध्वजारोहणासाठी रुपाली महिलागिरी मॅडम ग्रामपंचायत अधिकारी.
ध्वजपूजनासाठी मी
जाधव सर टू नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम. मी आमच्या आदरणीय जाधव सरांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी पुढील कार्यक्रमाची धुरा